To verify that transaction information is correct before updating customer balances, the batch listing report is a valuable auditing tool. To print the batch listing report, from the Reports menu, select Invoice Listing, or from the Open or Archive Batch screens, or the Batch Status Inquiry, click the Listing button. This report contains information and accounting activity for all entries and details of selected active batches. Printing from the Batch Inquiry screen will allow selecting batches that have already been posted or even deleted. You may choose to print a single or a range of consecutive batches, either for open or archive batches. Entries in the batch are printed either in the order that they were entered, or can be instead sorted by the customer number. The ledger account distribution summary for each batch may be printed at the bottom of the batch list, including changes to the control account, prior to posting the batch. And if multiple batches are selected to print, you can choose to separate the batches on different pages and set the page numbering for each batch. If Adagio DocStore is integrated, it is possible to generate a PDF file for the batch listing rather than printing to paper. This includes the ability of putting the batch number or range of numbers into the PDF file name by editing the PDF options for the report and include the %BAT code as part of the name. If multi-currency is enabled, the batch listing will print the home currency equivalent for transaction totals, along with the original source currency amounts and related exchange rates. Also, the ledger account distribution summary will provide a breakdown of transactions by currency to each account, in both the original and home equivalent currencies. Ensure transactions are ready for posting by confirming them on the batch listing report. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.